Am I still streaming? Yep, I am. Flee, flow. Ho, ho, ho. I forgot I was streaming. Hello.
Hear me, huh?
I was screaming in my mic because I was bored. But I forgot I was streaming, so I feel bad. But I forgot I was streaming, so I feel bad. Are you watching my stream?
Xbox is best.
You deserve that. You deserve that. Xbox is best.
No, it's not. If anyone sees this, I want you to comment in the chat, if comment even is on, to say it is trash. I want you to say that it is what you call it?
I need to.
Xbox is trash and PS4 is better.
I just can't find out how to enable it.
Who's watching my stream? Is that you? Is it you watching on my stream? Watching my stream? It's you, huh? Yeah, it is.
VOM red.
Oh, there you go.
Who texted on my thing? What did it say? VOM red. Bro, people are just... Dude, this is Russian person just said VOM red. It's just a Russian freaking letters. Hold on, wait. I'm gonna have to go... What? What freaking letters? Hold on, wait. I'm gonna have to go...
I took a shower.
Bro, this guy I just went to his channel. It's an ant collection.
One second, I have to do something. Yeah, you do that. I'm just done.
I'm not watching that. No. I don't even like ants. They're annoying. No, I don't watch that.
Cause I wish I could freaking give you Maya. Oh wait, I can. Let me go back to Twitch. Cause I don't think I'm signed into my Twitch phone.
What?
Restriction.
I'm gonna download Twitch and go on your stream. Actually, you don't even have Twitch. Is that viewer of yours still there?
Yeah, he's still there. Watching.
Jeez,
What's your
bro.
Twitch
Who
name?
is that?
What's your Twitch name? I don't know what his name is, but this dude. What is your Twitch name?
What is your Drew? Yours.
I think it's something.
What do you think it's something,
Yeah,
huh?
it's something, alright? Tell me the Twitch name before I come to your house.
Okay, I'm gonna have to leave for a little bit.
You're in Michigan, bro.
Leave.
How?
Dude, you're protected. Huh?
Yo, is anyone gonna like Drew? Is Drew just gonna start the game or not? Bro, some Russian person was in my chat. Like he has like literal Russian letters. Like go to like the chat go to like my YouTube channel and you'll see like a chat. Sheesh. That's tough. Alright. No. Oh my god. Yo, y'all trying to start the game?
Recycle bin.
Drew, you trying to start the
Throw
game?
some things in the recycle bin.
Yeah, I'm gonna start it. Just
Today.
These.
Okay, I think he's froze. Or something, because Twitch is loading.
Okay, well, what y'all want to do?
Yep,
Finished
there it is.
here,
I got it.
sister?
I found it.
What do you mean you found it?
Double nuts
I
seven.
gotta delete some things.
I have it. I'm just lagging really bad. Okay, I'll start the game.
Okay, thank you.
My game is lagging.
Double dash.
My game is
You only
lagging.
have one
my
E,
My
that's not-
stream is really lagging.
Because your export.
Well, I gotta change that. I gotta change something. Wait.
Oh my god. This guy doesn't start the match already, I swear. And Twitch is not even loading. I'm trying to... I'm gonna watch the video just because. I'm just gonna watch it just because. Oh wait, that's the
Boy, empty the recycle bin.
Oh, I'm back.
oh.
Right behind you, McNeil.
What's your name?
Oh my god.
Drew, what is your Twitch name already?
He's AFK.
Okay, now
Oh.
my stream should start.
What is your Twitch name?
Double D's nuts. You search it up. Search it up.
Okay. Okay. Get you banned. Double D's nuts.
Double D's nuts 17 with S the first and a Z. The G's is two E's and an S. Two D's and an E's and an S.
Searching
You find
now.
it yet?
Double D is not 17.
Yep.
0 viewers. Warzone.
About chat message. I'm gonna send the chat. Chat message. Follow me. Follow myself. Send it. Yeah, underscore 32 is my second account. I don't usually stream on this account. Stop spamming. You're lucky I don't have this on my screen, by the way. I don't have my chat on my screen. I have it on my phone so I can check it. Boop, 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 boop. I don't have. Okay, what is it? Hey, you just stay on. I'm just gonna keep my chat up because I do. Why you L? Wait. L. Yes. It's doing a thing. Doing stuff. I left us.
Let's go, I can do it. Yes, I can do that. And then...
Toss, you got the stream still going on your thing?
Yeah.
Like,
Hey, Drew. Hey, Drew, I'll just see you. I'm gonna send you something. Watch this. No, I'll just see, since you spammed on my stream, since you spammed on my screen,
I gotta use my phone, guys.
guess what?
Hostile dropping into the area. Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment.
Okay, where should we drop? Oh, he's sitting right.
There you go.
Yes.
What? It's not even 8.
Yeah, 7:39.
It's not 8, bro. After this game, we'll have to go.
Done warming up. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Be quiet. Please.
Did y'all hear me? Who got that skin? Is that LJC? LJC probably bought that. Yeah, that was LJC. He bought that skin.
Chemical.
Gas is approaching your
No, we're not gonna go to
position.
chemical.
Safe zone.
He stepped it.
Wait, LJC just left.
No contact.
You a bad liar.
Hello.
Right, put it on trios for you.
Guys, I'm gonna go get some food.
Are you can you start the game though?
Wait, bro.
No, Drew, you too. Start the game at least. Cause I'm gonna have to go. Hello?
I don't know something.
Oh my
But when do you have
god.
to go?
Bro, I haven't even played one single match
just
since
saying
y'all
that so
wanted
he has
to waste all the time. And I have to go at
Well,
one
I
match.
also want to play a match.
Then why didn't you start the match before? Oh my god, bro. I'm about to just get off right now.
get off, bro. I'm literally just getting
Well, I'm
water.
gonna have to get off after one game. But if this guy doesn't hurry up. Alright, you know what? Yeah, I might get off.
Don't get off till he comes back. Please.
Until he comes back, and then I can. Look at this fire starter.
He's gonna leave me, friend.
Look at that. That's... Dang, that's fire. Dang, why's that cool? That's kind of cool. Dang, that's kind of cool.
Hey guys, this video is for people that have seen my basics and getting overlay expert all set up. We're going to be showing how to add Twitch chat to your
Alright, so you mind starting the game, right?
We're going to jump to
Can you
the
start the game now?
expert website. The link is down below. And we're going to just jump to the overlay.
Alright, you know what? My whole stream had to wait. Well, not really stream, but like, they all had to wait just because a cup of water and just figuring out of Twitch. Like, come
Man,
on.
listen, you're... But that's
What?
how it works. Yep.
What? I couldn't. You could.
Man,
No, you're not.
listen, your family...
What do you have a Russian guy in your thing?
Yeah, I know there's a literal Russian guy in my thing. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not.
Okay, when's this thing gonna start?
Finally.
Come on, boy.
What?
Somebody did so.
Have you ever tried, hot...
Enemy dropping into the
What?
air.
No, I don't really eat anything hot. Not like any hot treats anymore. I didn't like fucking so much more. Alright, come on. Steal my kill like
Hey, bro,
that.
it's a lot better coming in than it's coming out.
I like Takis better. That's like literally the only chips that I actually like. That's hot.
Enemy dropping
Hot Cheetos. I used to like Hot Cheetos, but now. I mean, I still do, but like. I don't really like
Hey, by the way, this keeps lagging my
not
game
really
out.
like.
enough practice. Time for the real thing.
By the way,
Alright, let's go to Nova 6 Factory.
keep me from playing the game.
I can't hear you. Your mic is so low.
Ooh, I might have to enter. I'm into the stream.
What? What'd you say?
I'm into my stream.
Okay. Why? You know, actually, I want to end my stream. I really don't know why.